Hey, it's Robert with White House Custom Color, and we are going to walk through ordering a wood print. It's all going to begin and end right on the website, Whcc.com. Once I'm there, I just go over to wall art, and then I am going to look for wood prints and click through. Go straight over to order now. Once the interface loads, I can go ahead and grab my images and I can pull them down into the film strip here. And while they're uploading, let's take a look at our options over here. We're actually going to do a 16 by 20 for this one. So I'll just roll down to that, grab my 16 by 20, and you'll see that the interface changes. And the print surface, this is maple, people. This is wood. So that is also going to be your white point. It's going to be warm, and you're going to see the grain through. It's really an organic presentation, really nice. These will come pre-keyholed in the back. These will be ready to hang. If I need more than one, no problem. I just change that, and you see that the price adjusted as well. The system over here is going to upload the first image that I have. But let's say I needed to do this vertical. That's no problem. Just pull it in there and do it. What if I wanted to do this vertical image in a horizontal? Also no problem. I'll just click that little arrow here and it'll change that for me. And once I've done that, I can then change where I'm putting anything. Which brings me to my next point. This 16 by 20 product is a different ratio than my 2:3 ratio full frame sensor. So if I click and hold, you see I've got extra image over here. So I can place this exactly where I want it. I can also zoom in if I want to, but I really like that full presentation. I'll bring it back out. Get it where I want it. What you see is what you get. I just click Add to Cart. The system will create a proof for me, which I can share with my client. It's an unbranded proof. And I can also delete this, duplicate it, edit it, or save it for later. Once I see that everything is correct, I just proceed to checkout. And once I'm in the checkout screen, the system will default to my studio address. If I want to drop ship to my client, no problem. Just click that button and enter the address there. Below that, the shipping options. The system will default to whatever the free shipping is for that product. So for the wood print, the free shipping is ground. Of course, I can upgrade that shipping, and I can do it for my drop ship as well. If I need to leave a note for my own reference, my studio reference, I would put it here. If I needed to leave a note for the good people at White House Custom Color, I click Special Instructions. Everything looks perfect. I just click Place Order. That's all I have to do. The system takes care of the rest. And here we have our beautiful finished product, our 16 by 20 wood print that we just made in a minute online. That's how easy it is. Get out there and get your own.